Hey guys, it's your girl Nia Nicole, and I am back with a makeup tutorial. I miss you guys so much. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, basically seeing how many Anastasia Beverly Hills products I can use. I don't know how I came up with this, but I just realized that I have a lot of her products and I use them all almost on a daily basis, so why not do something that kind of just highlights that. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like it. So I'm gonna start with her foundation in the color Cool Golden. It's the stick. So you guys know I usually use a beauty blender to blend out foundation, but today I'm using this brush because I just feel like this stick just blends so much better with a brush than it does a beauty blender. I feel like this is low-key a little dark. I think it's my summer color. I've had it, but it's okay. I'll lighten it up with some concealer and stuff. That's an easy fix. I could just be real golden and bronze today. Like, summertime. So this is the foundation. I love the finish of this foundation. Like, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, y'all did y'all thing when it came to this foundation. Like, y'all did y'all thing. I'm here for it. Next, I'm going to take the NARS's Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium Dark 1.5. So you guys know I watch a lot of Jackie Ina, and she swears by this concealers. I think I really like this concealer. I see why everybody raves about it. Like, I get the hype. It has amazing coverage. It blends so easy and amazingly. I get it, you guys. I understand. I guess I've been asleep on NARS. I'm sorry, NARS. I've been asleep on y'all. I do have Anastasia contour kit that has concealer in it. I just don't. I'm not gonna say I don't like the colors because I use it to contour. I don't like it to highlight, so that's why I'm not using it at this moment. But we are gonna use it to contour, so don't trip. Don't trip, you know. So now I'm gonna take the Anastasia. Y'all know I don't know how to say it, and I'm waiting for the company to tell me because I actually reached out to them and asked them if they could tell me how to say it. So I'm gonna take the contour kit. I just use my finger. So yeah, go ahead and judge me like, girl, you did not reach out to that company. Yes, I did reach out to that company because I want to work for them one day, or work with them, like a partnership, a sponsorship, as a model, as anything. Like, I love what the company stands for. She is very inclusive with us women of color, and I like that. So I reached out so that, you know, one day if they come across my videos, they're like, this girl don't even know how to pronounce our brand. And I'm like, I'm sorry. So I felt like it would just be a little more professional to say, hey, how do you pronounce your brand? Or how do you actually say the name? Because a lot of people say it differently, and I understand she may not care, but my name is spelled different. Like Neyaah. A lot of people don't say Nia. And now it doesn't necessarily bother me, but I do like people to pronounce my name right. Like, my name's not Naya, Nihaya, nothing. My name is Nia. Like, if you pronounce it, it's Nia. Like, it's, you know. So I just want to say it right because I want people to say my name right. So I just felt like it was like a respectful type thing. So we're just gonna blend this out. Y'all know the drill. Y'all seen this before. Y'all know the drill. So next, I'm gonna take, of course, Laura Mercier, everybody's holy grail. I'm gonna bake a little bit today. Why not? I'm gonna have my makeup on for a minute anyways. And I'm using my same beauty blender because it's damp. So next I'm gonna take her dip brow. Y'all know this used to be my holy grail. I still use it, just not every day. This is also her pencil. I don't know what number it is because I've had it for so long that it's like faded off. But it's her double-sided brush. You know? So yeah, her dip brow in medium brown, and we're gonna get these eyebrows popping. I'm not gonna do them on camera, so I'll be right back. So next I'm gonna take my Modern Renaissance palette. Don't mind how dirty it is. I've had it for like way over a year, and it be everywhere. It's been in my bag, it's been everything. And this is the only palette I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna attempt to use colors I've never really used in this palette before, but of course I'm gonna use colors that I've used. So I'm gonna start off with mixing raw sienna and burnt orange. We're gonna put that in the crease for a transition. Next, I'm gonna take this MAC blending brush with Reglar. We're gonna put that on top of those two other colors we just put in our crease. So next, with the same brush that I just used, I cleaned it off. I'm gonna take Venetian red, and well, let's see how this pans out first. Let's just put it. Let's just keep it in this little area real quick, just to make sure it's kind of the look they're going for. Okay, so I started taking the Venetian red in some more. I'm bringing it out because I'm making, I'm enhancing my little Asian eyes, as people would say. So now I'm going to take Red Orchard. Go to the mouse when I love some. Take a try to catch up. Okay, so now I'm going to go back with the burnt orange and the Reglar. And I'm just going to basically like fade out this top a little bit, just to lighten it some. Nothing major, just really on the outside part, just so that the reds aren't just like taking over the whole look, you know. Okay, so now we're gonna clean up in the middle. Okay, so what I've learned, I learned this from Nicole Guerrero. You put some concealer on, and then you look all the way up, and that's where you cut the line. So now I'm going to take Primavera in the palette, of course. And where I did my cut crease, I'm just going to put this on top of the concealer. Like this. The cut crease isn't all that clean, but we're going to fix it, so don't trip. Don't trip. It's all... Doing makeup, I've learned, is a very ugly process for a beautiful result. Very ugly process for a beautiful result. Ooh, that's so cute! But I want to wet the... Y'all know me. I want to wet the brush to enhance it a little bit. You know I'm so dramatic. Like... You know how this... You know how this goes. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. We like pretty things, right? We like pretty things. Wait. Okay, now let's fix this because it's a hot mess. So you're going to take your blending brush. And I'm going to do the Red Orchard just because it's matte. And we're going to just go in that crease real tight. Keep your eye open so that you know like where you need to be blending it out. You know, keep your eye open. See, you see how we cleaned that up that fast? That's all we really need. Just a little cleanup. A little cleanup. Y'all know about this blending life. Y'all should. We not new to this. We true to this, right? Boop, right? Then we gonna do the same thing back here. Y'all like, okay, I ain't got time to just be layering and layering like that. I get it. You might be pressed for time. I ain't pressed for time. I ain't gonna know where to be. So I'm just sitting here, taking my time, making her pretty, getting her how I want her. And she not how I want her, because you see, I messed up right there. You know, we all make a little mistakes. This makeup life ain't perfect. And if anybody say they perfect with this makeup life, point them out to me. Because ain't nobody perfect but Jesus. That was so aggressive. That's another thing I gotta stop. Lately, I've been very aggressive with some things. I gotta stop being so aggressive. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back with Venetian Red. Boy! Hey, y'all sleep again, huh? It's okay. It's okay, you can be asleep. But when I got folks out here slaying these looks, you gonna wish you had woke up. Being asleep, you gonna miss the boat. Don't miss the boat, girl. Don't miss it. To add a little dimension to this eye, because I always like a little dark something. I'm gonna take Cypress Umber. And I'm gonna sit it in this crease, just a little bit. You see? Don't do too much. Don't do too much. Just sit it in that crease. Bring it out on the V. I just added this V part, just like right now, because I didn't do it on this side, so I had no intention on doing it. But now I got intentions on doing it. So now you take that MAC, and I'm gonna put a little Venetian red, just a little bit. Don't do too much. You see? Just a little bit. And blend her out. Blend her out. Blend her out. Blend, baby, blend. You know how they be like, did, baby, did? Blend, baby, blend. I'm so extra. Again, I find the littlest things to be happy about. And to make me laugh. It's okay. Your own happiness is the best happiness. But. Let me clean it up and fix it so y'all can really see. And we gonna do wing liner. Y'all know how this goes. We ain't new to this. This is our life. Our day to day. So next I'm gonna take the Anastasia Glow Kit and that glow. And I'm using Dripping in Gold and Golden Bronze. I did my contour, bronzer, and blush off, and my lashes off of camera. Because they're not Anastasia, so there was no point. Just did it. And I was on a phone call when I was doing it, so. Now I'm going to do my eyebrow with the highlight that I just put on. Brow bone. And y'all know Jackie Ina said don't walk out that house without that inner corner highlight. There we go. Okay. You gotta blend this highlight out. Just can't have it sitting there like that. I'm gonna take my rose water. Take my beauty blender. So this is the look, guys. I hope you like it. If you have any other ideas or look that you want me to do, make sure you send them my way. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and please share. I really want my videos to get out there for people to see my videos and things like that. So please, 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 if you like them, share. If you have ways that you want me to improve my videos, don't hesitate to send them over my way. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye, babes.